Well, I ain't got much left to go. As you can look at the mailbox, and they got the police down the street down there evacuating people out of their homes. It's so flooded that someone's car is stuck in the middle of the street. The water's up to my knees, over my knees. The water's up to my hips in the street here. And people are being evacuated as our homes are fixing to flood here. This is in Denham Springs on Jason Drive. Unprecedented kind of flooding that's going on here. I've never seen water up to that tree before. This is unprecedented. It's rained every day for probably a week, 2 weeks. Today, last night, yesterday and last night, today, it got so bad. So much rain has fallen in Louisiana that this is what we have. Police are having to help people out of their homes. Because they're very, very dangerously and close to flooding. It's not good. Not good at all.